Unaona ile building mrefu ile, huko ndio naenda. Huku ni Upper Hill, Nairobi. A very nice place, cool place, breezy iko sawa. So sijui niende. Unaona hapa kando acha nivuke. Unaona hii side, ukiangalia hapo utaona wanatengeneza hizo kabro. Wanatengeneza makabro. Acha nizunguke hivi. Acha niende hivi side ya chini ndio uone poa. So si unaona hizi? Si unaona mawe? Unaona mawe hapo hivi. You are seeing this. Then kuna unaona hii inataka kutengeneza hapa. I think inataka kuweka footpath. Kuna footpath inataka kuwekwa hapo, I think. Ama ni nini inataka kuwekwa hapo? There must be some form of footpath. Siku hizi nawatembeza kweli kweli. Siku hizi nawatembeza kweli kweli. So unaona hizi mawe ziko hapa kando kwa hiki building kia round. So huku ni Upper Hill. Okay. The place is Upper Hill. Excuse me. So nataka ujue kitu moja na huku Upper Hill. Hii place inakuanga na watu sana. Usually people are many during work days. But today is on Saturday jioni. Today is on Saturday evening. So most offices are closed. Most people are not around. Usishangae ni kwa nini kuna kadi za dead. It's because as of today, as of now, this place haina hii ni Jubilee Insurance. Unaona hii building iko hapa? Hii building iko hapa ni Jubilee Insurance. Hii building hii Jubilee Insurance. Okay. It is very nicely designed. Nairobi is very beautiful. Yeah. Nairobi is very, very beautiful. So this is Jubilee Insurance. This building on my right. And then hapo mbele kuna Casco Center, the opposite side. But this is Jubilee Insurance. I hope you can see. It is written Jubilee Insurance. So for those who don't understand what I'm saying, since I'm speaking Swahili, I'm saying that this is Nairobi, an area called Upper Hill. Upper Hill. It comprises mostly of offices, right? Yeah. So hivyo ndo kunaenda. I should go through here to Britain. To go to Britain. Britain. Naja boss. Kuna njia naweza enda hapa nitoke Britam?
Britam Tower?
Yeah.
Hivyo naenda hivyo round.
Oh. Sawa, asante. I didn't know if I could go through here. So sitaki niende maeria zenye sistahili kukua bwana. Create unnecessary attention. I don't want that. Let me cross the other side. I think you're supposed to follow. Yeah, so Shelter Afrique. So are you seeing the building? This place is really beautiful. Yeah, Upper Hill is really beautiful. So there are some taxis here. Look at that. Upper Hill is really, really beautiful. So I'm going to Britam. You see this tall building in front of me, but I have to go around. Na hapa mbele yangu kuna Zep Replace. Zep Replace. On the opposite side there is Shelter Afrique. Shelter Afrique. Shelter Afrique. So this place is beautiful. One thing, this place is beautiful. Upper Hill. Upper Hill. So I've said, let me do Upper Hill. Upper Hill tour, and you see this is where there is EPRA. Yeah, you seeing this building? This building that I'm passing, this is EPRA. This is EPRA, Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority. Hawa ndio wanatuongezea mafuta Kenya. These are the ones who are increasing. And then next to it we have Kushi Tower. Kushi Tower. And opposite we have what is this? Makiwa Hotel. Okay. Yeah, so this is Upper Hill. Mtu wangu huku ni Upper Hill. Na huku siko mahasla hapa. Bana huku siko mahasla. Hata mtu alifungua hapa kakibanda ndio watu wapate chakula ya at least bei ya chini. So, are you seeing that building? Yes, that building is called Talanta Plaza. It's called Talanta Plaza. Let me go this side. Let me go this side. Because we want to go to Britam Towers. So this place is cool, and there are not many people because these are not residential areas. No, this is Upper Hill. This is a tour of Upper Hill. And I've come on Saturday. I made sure to come on Saturday so that we don't see a lot of people. So the place, there are not very many people today. You see KCB Towers. You see this tall building in front of me. This is KCB Towers. KCB Towers. There is Migoko Upper Hill Gardens opposite me. Okay. There are some taxis along the way. Yeah. So guys, let's use this footpath. You see in front of me there is Equity Center. That is Equity Center. That is Equity Center. That is the headquarters of Equity, I think. Equity. Now let's go this side. Let's go back this way. Now we are at Hospital Road. We just come from Kenya Road. Now we are at Hospital Road. So in front of me is Equity. I just passed by Equity Center. And then this is Brigham. This is Brigham. I see this whole building. Seeing this tall building in front of me, the tall building in front of me, this is Brigham Towers. This is where I'm coming. Brigham Towers. This is where I'm coming. So this is Brigham Towers. Look at how beautiful this is. Brigham Towers. So I will end my video here. As I go meet somebody. I'm meeting somebody inside here. I am meeting somebody inside here. So let me end the video here, guys. Okay.